We're up at Broken River Mountain Resort. Bird calls here are beautiful. So I just thought I'd show you around. Got a couple of individual units on both sides of the driveway till you come up to the reception. These are your individual units, and another one there, another one over there. This is behind the units. Bird life is terrific. That's actually 3 units side by side each other. A bit hard to see with the trees. This side of the road is individual little units that you can hire. Obviously, they're a lot more expensive. We have a bus load of people here at the moment. They're a walking group. Can't do much walking at the moment because of the rain that we've had. Had a fantastic storm here last night. Reception. Up and over the cute little bridge. Absolutely necessary in wet weather. Looks like there's a private function going on at the moment, right beside reception. This is the restaurant beside the reception. This is where we are staying for 3 nights. We go up the stairs. This is our room. Good sized fridge. Kitchen area over there. 2 beds. And a fireplace. It's quite a nice little kitchen area. Little bathroom, basin, and there it is. So it gives me a good little spot for the computer.
We had a great time in the resort. We stayed 3 nights. The fireplace kept the unit very warm and cosy all night. We were only 5 minutes walk to the river, and we watched the platypus every day and listened to many bird calls as we were in the heart of the national park at Eungella. The bed was very comfortable and I loved the full-size fridge in the unit. It was a very great holiday and we appreciated it very much.